Good afternoon. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. I'm so excited because today I have my Selfybox and I also want to give away. And it's not just any giveaway, it's a Jeffree Star giveaway. So I don't know what to do first. So I'm going to do my Selfybox first and then I'll do my giveaway. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. That would mean a lot to me. And if you're returning, thank you so much. As always, I so appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So I've been filming a bunch of videos today just to catch up on them. So if you see that I have like makeup going up my arm, it's just because I'm trying to catch up. So, but I do have my selfie. I don't know how many selfies I have stashed, but I just love my Selfybox. And this is the April, so I think this might be my last one till I get my May box. And they've got everything on the back. And what's nice about Selfie is it's $25, so it's affordable. And they have mostly skincare, and then they'll throw in a makeup or two item to kind of offset the skincare. So it's really nice. So the first thing that we have is by Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and it's finishing powder. Now, because I get so many beauty boxes, I do have quite the finishing powder. And of course I make a mess all over the place with trying to open it up and getting it all over. So this might just go into a giveaway. But the finishing powder it retails for $35. So it's a nice value. But again, I just have so many finishing powders. And my favorite is like the banana powder. I just love putting that all over. The next thing is by Galactic Rose Oil Petal Gloss. And I do love me some gloss because some of these lipsticks, like the one that I got in the other box, it's so dark. And I thought if I lightened it up with the lip gloss, it might look a lot better. Ooh. Okay, now that is fancy. So that will definitely be a keeper. And I don't know if I told you guys that my daughter and son-in-law from Germany are coming in. They're coming in for like 2-3 weeks in June because they can't get the shot out in Germany. It's pretty locked down and it's hard to get. So they're gonna come here and get the shot. So she's going to be going through all my stuff. She doesn't really wear a lot of makeup. She works from home there. So she's just gonna go through and see if there's anything that she wants. But they're moving apartments. It's really hard to get an apartment in Germany. So they've been looking and they did find an apartment and it's really pretty. She sent me pictures, but she's so excited because it has a bathtub. Not a lot of places there have a bathtub. So she's coming and she's rating all my bath products. So her and my daughter-in-law both take baths. So all my bath stuff will go to them. And the next item we have is by Earth Harbor, and I've gotten tons of stuff by them. And it's the Robyna Replenishing Body Serum. And I'm trying to see if this goes over. It's $26 and it's got oils, it's got tons of stuff in it. And I guess you can put it all over your body. Yeah, when you hear serum, sometimes you just think face, but I think you can put it all over your body. Apply to skin and massage in a circular motion. A little goes a long way. So begin with a few drops and increase as needed. Moisten skin prior to applying for added benefits. So, all over body. I'm going with that. And then we got the MD Formula PhD Caviar Luxe Nourish and Restore Night Moisturizer. So a little caviar and champagne for bedtime. And this retails for $79.90. I knew they always put like one super pricey thing, so when you put it on your body, you feel like, wow, is this worth it? So, is it a bottle? I hate to open, oh, it's got a sticky, so I'm not gonna open it until I use it because it's got like the sticky and everything on there. And then we got the hair wrap. And I know I've gotten these before and I never know what I do with them. So you just simply flip hair forward and it absorbs your moisturizer. And I'm just wondering, you know, I do so many of the hair masks, if you can just like put a hair mask and use this, but it would probably absorb your mask. And this is $20. So we have 20, 40, 75. So this is almost like $200 in this box. So we got the all over body. We got the nighttime caviar. Let's go that way. The hair wrap. The HD powder that's gonna go in the giveaway coming up soon. As I said, I haven't been able to do a giveaway because I haven't been able to do any boxes. And then I just love the pattern on here. So what'd you think of this box? Do you guys get this? This is for $25. It's not really a bad box. So, are you excited to see what I won on my Jeffree Star? The Jeffree Star had, I don't know, they had 3 different boxes that you can buy. I think for 40, 70, and 160. Now I ordered, what did I order? What's it, 70, 100, and 160? I don't remember. Well, I ordered the 2. I ordered the 70 and the 100, but it's still sitting there because I'm so far behind in boxes. So I had entered a Jeffree Star because the only palette that I have of Jeffree Stars is their Blue Blood. And I think I might have a lippy from them that I won a couple years ago. So I didn't have any Jeffree Star. So this sweet girl, you have to check out her channel and I will leave it below. She goes by Average Mama is her channel. She did, I think she got 1 or 2 boxes, and she did a Jeffree Star giveaway. She gave away 2 palettes. That's how sweet she is. And again, so I'm going to leave her link below so you can check her out. And she notified me that I won a palette. So I was just so excited. And so first she put in a, not sure what this one is, it's green. And they have, you know, they have all the different, the bloodlust, the blood money, all the different ones. But the thing that I really love about my Jeffree Star, as I said, I have, I forgot what it's called, is how it goes on. It doesn't, there's no fallout. It goes on really nice. So this must be from their blood money line. And it is a green, God, does this feel good. Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Oh, there we go. And it's a green eyeliner. Can you see that? Wow, I will definitely try that. I really wanted to get the Blood Money palette. It's not that I'm going to use these all the time because, you know, you can't go anywhere, and then when you put the mask on, it's, and then let's see the palette. She is so sweet. You've got to go check her out. In the card she had, this is sweet. Oh, there's something else in here. Oh, the Grave Digger. This must be from the, I still don't know all of them. There's like a cemetery palette. So she sent me an individual Grave Digger. Wow. And there's the palette. I'm so excited. And it's the Jawbreaker. Let me know. I know people that are into Jeffree Star, they have like every palette. But as I says, these go on so smooth. So this is the inside. I meant the inside of the, wow. It's got a mirror. Look at those colors. Wow. Now I'm going to have to get creative. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my God, made my day. Happy Mother's Day to me. Although my daughter sent me a really nice, because again, she's in Germany, she sent me a really nice, lotions and bath bombs and all that kind of stuff that I like. And my son sent me flowers, my son and daughter-in-law, and I had to put them as far away from me as possible because they're killing my allergies. But it was definitely sweet of them. So let me know what you thought of my selfie box and my win. And I will leave the link below. Please go check out Average Mom. I think she's a small YouTuber, or she might have over 1,000, but please check her out. She's just a doll. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.